Hi there, I'm Jennifer Jordan, aka Bench Press Betty. I'm a full-time working professional and also enjoy competing in women's figure bodybuilding competitions. Over the last 7 years, I've graced local and international stages, and one thing I've learned is that it can be a struggle to balance a full-time career, taking care of your family, and trying to come up with creative meal ideas that are not only healthy, but flavorful. That's why I'm here to introduce you to my line of all-natural, low-sodium, custom blended seasonings. As a proud Go Texan partner, all of my handcrafted low-sodium seasonings are custom blended right here in Texas. 3 of our most popular flavors are my Betty's Mambo Italiano seasoning with Romano cheese, Betty's Twist and Shout taco seasoning, and Betty's By the Bayou Creole. These seasonings will become a staple in your pantry, whether you're looking to come up with more healthy meal alternatives or add a little extra flavor to some of your family favorites. My ultimate dream would be to take my professional and fitness success and use that to start a local nonprofit Supergirl summer camp meant to empower, inspire, and motivate young women of all ages to chase their dreams like I have. I would be honored, HEB, to see my seasonings on your shelves. Thank you so much, HEB, for this opportunity. I'll see you soon.